everybody, so welcome back to my channel. Can you see me? Hi. And if you're new here, my name is Pamela and I make videos on all different types of things, including horticulture, bag reviews, and so on and so forth, my life. So yeah, if you're interested and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. Today's video is a plant with me. I have this Monstera, ha 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 ha, play on words, I'm so funny, that I've had for over 2 years now. And when I first purchased it, it was like such a little tiny thing, like with all plants, and over the years it's grown crazy, and since I've purchased it I have never repotted it, and I felt like, you know what, I'm on a roll with repotting many different plants in my home, why not repot this one? So I went to my local hardware store, which is just Lowe's for me, and I picked up this 6.5-inch pot that I'm going to be placing this Monstera plant in. And this bad boy is so beautiful. Look at all of the aerial roots. It is not playing and wants to prop itself up. I've treated this plant like absolute trash, and in return it's done nothing but grow and love me and make me proud to know that even if I'm not giving you the best love and affection, you know, I give you more than what you need to survive. I have my soil already pre-mixed inside of here. I'll leave all of the details inside of the description box below, and yeah, I'll just pan you down and just start potting with you all.
Social suicide.
Thanks, Jamie.
So the next thing that I want to do is use this here like little like pole to prop my plant up, because it's actually slouching. Hi, I'm right here. And I'm also going to use some fluoro tape, and I'm just going to stake it up. Guys, this is what my plant looks like now, my Monstera Deliciosa, how it looks like after being repotted, and I hope it's happy, because those roots were begging for help, were screaming, were crying for help, and I've been ignoring it. But now my baby has a new home and it has a new pot, and I'm so happy for it. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if it helped you in any way. If you just like watching people pot plants, then thank you for watching. And yeah, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave it in the comment section box below. Join my little kooky family by subscribing. We're pretty cool out here. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.